Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Peter Peteru here again. I hope you're staying frosty. So, in this video, I will be putting you through how to go about your week 3 milestone in the virtual assistant course. And it is very simple, but then using a phone can be very, very disturbing, which I want to demystify in this video. I think I'm going to create the one for a laptop, but right now this is for those who are having problem getting a laptop or doesn't have a laptop. So here we go. The first thing we want to do is logging into our Savannah. As you can see, I'm already logged in into my Savannah. So let's go to the milestone area. But wait, before we go to the milestone area, there was a place that we were giving a Google Workspace skills checklists. I want you to go into, if you have consumed the course outline, you will see this in the process of consuming the course outline. So this place, you have to do some few things here. It is not compulsory for your milestone, but this I will say you should take note of very well. Now, what do I want you to take note of here? You can see, for example, this is look at the column A1, you have hashtag, which is the number. Column B1, we have yes or no, which is where you put in your yes or no answers. Where in our D1, we have skill level, which is essential, and we have E1, which is resource. Now, we already know that from what we were told, and please take notes, I am in the Gmail tab here, Gmail tab below. If you check below, you see Gmail, G Calendar, and G Drive, and many more like that. They are much there. So, the first thing here is compose an email and send an email. So, if you are not very good at composing and sending an email, you can see right here the skill level is essential. You have to make it very essential. Like anything that it is written essential, it is very vital for a virtual assistant to know about that. It is very, very vital for a virtual assistant to know about that. So what do you want to do if you don't know about this? Number one thing I will suggest you do is go and consume the videos that was sent in the Savannah course outline, or you click on this link here, this link just right beside it. For everyone that you don't know how to use or you don't know how to do, click on this link here. It will take you to a page. You can see I've clicked on it, but it didn't take me directly there. If I was using the only view mode, it will take me directly there, but this is my own copy of it. So what I want to do is I will just click this directly here. From here it will take me to where it's going to tell me more about it. Or better still, if you're not someone that works well with written stuff, you can just go on to copy and paste it to what is it called, Google. Copy, you can just copy and paste everything, copy and paste it to Google, to YouTube rather. Go to YouTube. uh when you go to YouTube, come to the search bar, paste it here, how to, you can paste it, and you will see tons of videos that will put you through on that, which is very vital for every virtual assistant to know. Now you can see here that it is saying it is essential. So if you have finished learning that skill, you come here just for how do I put it, just for accountability sake. You come here, you say, oh yes, I know how to compose an email. The next is go on to forward and reply emails. Come here. If you know how to do it, click on yes. If you don't know how to do it, go and learn how to do it in your Savannah, or in the videos that was sent to you, so on and so forth. So the next thing I want to point out is, as you go on Google Calendar too, there are essential skills here that you need to mark. This is not part of the milestone, please. This is just for accountability sake, and this is just to guide you through on what a virtual assistant should know how to do. Google Drive also, look at it, there are essential skills. Essential, you can see it, essential skills. Google Docs, there are essential skills and there are intermediate skills. If you look at it very well, Google Docs is very wide, and that is why there is a lot of intermediate and advanced. You can see there's intermediate, there's advanced. So I will advise you that you should learn the intermediate skills too and the advanced skills too, because this is just, Google Docs is just like mini Microsoft Word. Even Google Sheets is like mini Microsoft Excel. This is like you going to a computer school. Please learn it with everything that you have. Please learn it by all means. Learn these things, these skills that are put, that is inside here. Please learn it by all means. And this brings me to the end of this section rather. So where I want to go to next is the milestone part. So what were we asked to do in the milestone for this week? What were we asked to do? Now let me go to the milestone area. So the first thing we were asked to do here, the task is submit your calendar screenshots. We will get to that. The next is submit your inbox screenshots. We will get to that also. So what are we asked to do exactly? This step one, this is what we are asked to do. Open your calendar, Google Calendar, schedule a non-negotiable activity that's blocking your calendar to say, oh, I am going to gym from 6 to 7 a.m. for the next 1 week. I am going to take virtual assistant courses for the next 1 week, for the next 1 week, 30 minutes every day. Block the calendar like that and stuff like that. Put an hour to it. What again, appointments you want to put in. And now this is where it is very vital for you to read. They said screenshots must show 7 days, 1 week of your calendar. It must show at least 5 hours of your daily schedule for each of the 7 days. 5 hours of your daily schedule for each of the 7 days. So for each of the 7 days, you are to put 5 hours of your daily schedule in it, each of the 7 days. For example, on Monday, you have to put 5 hours of schedules in that Monday alone. On Tuesday, same thing. On Wednesday, straight down to Sunday, like that. Now you are going to save the screenshot on your computer or on your phone, anyone you want to use. We are using a phone right now, so we are going to take it one step at a time in this video. So after that, you submit instructions below. Now this is the instructions below. Submit your saved calendar here. You are just going to choose file and submit. The next is organize your inbox. Now this organize inbox, they are just literally telling you to practicalize how to manage a client's inbox using your own inbox. So what they asked us to do here now is screenshots. Now the screenshot is going to show 10 organized emails. You can take the entire screen or part of the screen of it, but we must see your 10 organized emails. Save screenshots on your computer and follow instructions. This is the instruction here. Submit your saved inbox screenshots here. So that is that about that. But now we want to use a phone to do this. What are we supposed to do first? The first thing we want to tackle is the screenshots of the 7 days a week calendar and all of that. So what do we want to do on our phone? Let me open a new tab. On our phone, we are going to click on calendar.google.com. So when I clicked on calendar.google.com, you can see already that I already have some schedule there. But for the sake of this class, I'm going to move this October. I'm going to move my October, or let me just say, okay, let me move my October to September, November rather. Let me move my October to November. Oh, okay, November, please. Okay, why is it not moving? Weekly. Let's do monthly first. Let's do monthly. Okay, this is the monthly view. Okay, this is November. Oh, I think I booked it consistently. I booked it consistently. Monthly view. Oh, this is the monthly view. You can see the monthly view. I already booked it consistently across all board till December. But for the sake of this class, let me go back to the weekly view again. Let me go back to the weekly view again. Okay, the weekly view. Let's say for instance, I want to, okay, let me delete this. Let me delete this. Delete this and following event. Delete, delete, delete this and following event. Delete, just for the sake of this class. Delete, delete this and following event. Delete. I had already done it before, that's why I'm trying to do this again, just for the sake of this class. This and following events. Delete. Delete this and following events. Delete. Why is still here? Delete this and following events. Delete. Work projects. Work projects. Delete this and following events. Okay, you can see how hard it is to use a phone, right? But then it is achievable, very, very achievable. Now what we asked to do is book or schedule a task for 5 hours a day for the next 7 days. Now for the next 7 days, you can see this is the time that I have for, this is Sunday. This is Sunday. I'll go back to the weekly view again. This is Sunday. This is all the boxes throughout Sunday. All the boxes here throughout Sunday. All the boxes here throughout Monday. All the boxes here throughout Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and so on and so forth. So what do I want to do now? I want to book 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. So I just click on the box. I click on the box. I write work out. Work out. I can decide to put an emoji, and voila, we have that already. That's 6. Please check the time and the dates very well. 6 to 7. Now do I want it to be repeat? Yes, for the sake of this class I want it to repeat. Daily. Let me put daily. Okay, so what else do I need to do here? I need to schedule it 5 minutes before, not 30 minutes. So this is me actually blocking the calendar to say this time I am busy. So let me change the color of it as important, that is red. Then I click on save. When I click on save, you can see that it is consistent from Monday, from Sunday to Saturday. You can see that it is very consistent from Sunday to Saturday. So I can just choose to click on it and duplicate if I want. Duplicate if I want to duplicate it. So but right now when I duplicate it, I'm not going to use workout again. I'm going to put virtual virtual assistant classes. So what time and what to what time? I want to edit the time. I put okay, let me just use 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. for the rest of the day daily, 5 minutes before. And you can choose to put description there, but for the sake of this class I'm not just going to put description. You can add description. If you're working with your client, you should put a description, or you can put virtual assistants. Yeah, there was a way and pattern at which we were taught in the course. You can do that if you're doing it for a client. And also if you want to do yours also, you can come here and say classes classes ALX. You can see if you're having a meeting with someone, you can just say, for example, where is that button again? Where is it? Here and here. You're having a meeting with your peer-to-peer coaching classes. Let me do peer to peer with, for example, I would say Deborah. Now you can see I saved that. You can see it is right there already. So if I click this, I already know that it's classes for peer-to-peer ALX with Deborah. I already know, and it's top priority because I made it red. On and on and on like that for the next 7 days. After you're done with that, you're now going to make a screenshot of it. You're going to make a screenshot of it. For example, now I will, after I'm done with that, I'll make a screenshot of this. Then I've made a screenshot already, and I will go back. I didn't complete it, so note that I didn't complete it. You have to do your own consistently for the next 7 days. So what you are going to do now is come here, you click on choose file and click on this, and voila, you have it. Then you submit. When you submit, you click on check your code, click on start a new test. Always click on start a new test, please. Mine is showing like that because I have put something there before. Then you click on close, and you can see that the don't check button has checked by itself. I have not completed it, so I'm going to remove it back right now. I'm going to remove it back right now. So the next is our calendar. Scheduling our calendar in this format. Now you're going to showing now take a screenshot showing your 10 organized emails. You can take the entire screen or part of it, but we must see your 10 organized emails. So what are we going to do? We are going to go to gmail.com. Gmail.com on our browser, still gmail.com. Okay, there's something I would like to show you here. If you log in and you put gmail.com, this is how it is going to show. Gmail.com, this is how it's going to show. So what you're going to do, I forgot to mention in the other in your calendar too, you have to switch to desktop mode. Please remember to switch to desktop mode whenever you're doing this. If not, you won't be able to do it. You can see that right now this is just normal mode and normal mobile mode, and is looking like this. So what do I want to do? Click on the three dots at the top right corner, scroll down, you'll find desktop sites here. Click on it. When I click desktop sites, it's going to change. You can see it's changing already, and look at the view I am having right now. So I don't want to use this email for it because this is my own personal email. For the sake of this class, I'm going to use let me use Pizarro. Let me use pizarro.com at Gmail rather. All right. So man, this is a lot, but let's use this. This is not my real email. This is just for the sake of this class. Or better still, let me use this. All right, let's use this. So for the sake of this class, what we were asked to do is we should segregate all our, let me go back there. Okay, where is it? Close this inbox. Come here. So what we asked to do is take a screenshot of 10 organized emails. 10 organized emails. Now, how do we organize our emails? We were asked to put labels to our emails. Labels. Now, for example, I will say Google is um let me say Google is marketing emails. Let me put Google as marketing. So I'm going to click on it. That's I'm going to, you can see the way I touched it. I'm going to click on it. Google, another Google is marketing. Google Play marketing. Which other? Canva. No, I won't put Canva as okay. Which other one? Google. They are just marketing. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to, oh, please pardon me. First, you're going to create a label here. Create a label. So we already know that Google is marketing. We click on the plus icon here. After you click on the plus icon here, a window will pop up. Let me go back again. Click on the plus icon here. Click on the plus icon here, a window will pop up. So you're going to make this marketing, then you click on create. So after I click on create, you can see it has already created here. You can see it here already. It has created here already. So what I'm going to do to change the color, I need to change the color to know if this is urgent or not urgent. But regardless, you have to change the color just to know in your client's dashboard. If you want to be managing your client's dashboard, you have to agree with your clients that, oh, my client, if you see anything red, that means it is very urgent. If you see orange, that means it is not very urgent, but you need to attend to it. If you see green, that means you have attended to it. If you see blue, that means it is me that needs to attend to it, but I need you to review it first. So for example, now this year we want to make it very urgent. So what we are going to do is hold it down. You can see a window popped up, but we are not just click anywhere on the screen. We just want to achieve something. You click on the three dots, click on these three dots here, then a window will pop up. Then you click on label and come here, you click on the red icon here. Now we have made, you can see that we've made the marketing red right now. So what we are going to do, these ones that we have marked already, this Google and Google marketing, they are falling under marketing. What are we going to do? We are going to click on the three dots here. After clicking on three dots, click on label as. After clicking on label as, click on marketing. Now you can see now that it has been labeled marketing. You can see that it has been labeled marketing. So the next, let's uncheck that. So the next is Canva will fall under apps. Canva, Facebook, Meta for business, they will fall under app. I click on the plus sign again. I write applications. I click on create. You can see how taxing it is to use a phone, but it is achievable. That's what I'm trying to say. This style that I use, you can use it for a laptop too, but it will be easy with a laptop. So if you follow these steps too, you can achieve it with a laptop if you follow these steps. But then I will make the one for laptop again. I will make a video for the laptop again. Please, if you are enjoying this video, please like, subscribe and comment under this post. Share it to your friends. Please support me in your own way. Thank you very much. I would really appreciate. I hope you're staying frosty. I hope you're enjoying the class so far. So what's next we want to do is add let's make the applications. Let's make it blue. Let's make it blue. Let's make it blue. All right, applications are blue, so we want to move them into it right now. Click on Canva. Which again, free pick should fall under marketing. Allison will fall under coaches. Canva here again. Meta for business, Facebook team, which again, Meta for business, applications. All right, so what I'm going to do next is click on the three dots, click on label as, click on applications. All right, you can see that they have already labeled each other like that. It's been labeled already applications. Let me do one more. Let me do one more. Or David Fano. David Fano will fall under sales, coaches, coaches, yeah, coaches, Allison coaches, David Fano coaches, Allison coaches, coaches, Fano. You can just go ahead to delete what you don't want there, just for you to um have a good view of how your inbox will look like. Just, you already know, if you are managing a client's inbox, you already know that you are going to like ask them questions on how they want you to do your they are like, I think we were given some things to ask our clients. All those things also really does matter in managing their inbox. You can't just go and start deleting stuff. You can archive some, you can archive some and you can delete some, but ask your clients first. So what we are going to do here is name another label, coaches, coaches. Click on create, click on create. Hold it down, a window will pop up. Click on the three dots and make this, label this, let me label it. Okay, now I've already marked them. Click on the three dots, click on label as, click on the coaches, and voila, we have the coaches part of it already. And you can see it is looking all good already. It is looking all good. On check everything, on check. All right, it is looking all good already. You can see it's looking all good already. I mistakenly added these to application and coaches. You can still add them like this too, just to give some sense of entitlement, or I don't know, just to make it um more priority. You should just give it more priority and all of that. So you can see here, you're going to do this one, two, three. We've done this three. You're going to do seven more, just like what we asked to do here. You're going to do seven more of them like that. You can see, you can take the entire screen showing. Now take a screenshot showing your 10 organized emails. You can take the entire screen or part of it, but we must see your 10 organized email. You can see that we are already having three already, so they want to see this thing, this one right here. Now we want to see 10 of it here. Or you can just do it this way, take the entire screen and still make, yes, have 10 of it beside there. You have to make 10 of it just right beside there. I hope you're getting right now. Still on still, if you feel like, oh, you want to move a file into somewhere, instead of moving it into uh in a there are different categories: social, updates, forums and all of that. You can just create a label for yourself, also create a label here for yourself also, and say, okay, ALX emails. You create this, and when you create ALX emails, you can just come here and say, okay, this is ALX, this is it, this is it. This is just an example. These are not ALX emails. This is it, this is it, this is it. So what am I going to do? You come to the top here, come to the top here, you click on this. You can see it has given you different ones there. You click on ALX emails. Now if you do it that way, it has been moved inside ALX emails. When you click on ALX emails now, you are going to find them there. This is just you arranging the inbox of your clients. I hope this class was helpful for you. Please, if this was helpful for you, please give it likes, give it comments, so that you too will help me push it out to more people that need something like this. Please, I beg of you, support me, support my ministry. Thank you very much. I hope you're staying frosty. Please don't forget to stay frosty. It is still Peter Peteru here again. I want to wish you a great and productive ALX section. And just to put it out here, you have to screenshot this also and go to your what is it called? Come here, come to your Savannah, choose file, submit, and do the needful again. Just submit it. So this is for the phone section. Bye for now. Stay frosty.